everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix app not installed error on your Android device. If you're trying to install an application on your Android device but it gives you a message like this that says app not installed, then keep watching the video for a quick fix. If you're not subscribed to our channel, first make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you're not being able to install any kind of an application on your Android device, then the first thing you can do is to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Check if your Wi-Fi or your cellular data is connected and is working properly. Once it is, go back to your Play Store and check if the problem has been solved. If the network is not the issue and you are still having the problem, then the next thing to do is to try clearing your data. Go to the settings button on your Android phone and tap it on. From the settings menu, go and tap on apps. From the app list displayed, go to Google Play Store and give it a tap. In the app info page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK from the pop-up. From the same page, go to Storage and tap it on. Now, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and finally tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. In the pop-up, tap on OK. Now go back to your Play Store and relaunch the application. Sometimes once you clear the data of your application, your problem should be fixed. If that works, then that's great for you. If that still does not, then the next thing to do is to restart your Android device. Simply hold the power button and tap on the restart from the menu. Once you are done rebooting your device, go back to your Play Store to see the problem fixed. That is how you'll be able to fix your app not being installed on your Android problems. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.